Hello everyone and welcome back to the October Snow Report. I'm Ryan Green and October has a little bit of everything, so let's get into it. It's time to supercharge your development workflow. Snowflake Workspaces provides a single, powerful environment with everything you need, from native Git to an AI copilot. Boost productivity, enable seamless collaboration, and accelerate code delivery with faster, fully governed development. We're also calling on the world's most innovative builders to join the Snowflake Startup Challenge. We've teamed up yet again with the New York Stock Exchange to find the next generation of AI startups building on Snowflake. The grand prize, you might ask? Up to $1 million in investments, mentorship from industry titans, and the chance to ring the New York Stock Exchange bell. Speaking of building, let's talk about the can't-miss event for every developer. Get ready for Build, our virtual developer conference for AI and apps. Coming November 4th, this is your chance to hear exclusive product announcements directly from our top execs, get hands-on technical labs, and learn how to build the next generation of apps, data pipelines, and AI models on Snowflake. And for those who want to start sharpening their skills right now, our October calendar is packed with virtual events you don't want to miss. First up, get a front row seat to innovation at our Startup Demo Day on October 14th. Watch 3 cutting-edge startups pitch their AI-powered apps live to top venture capitalists and see what the future of SaaS looks like. Then, on October 16th, join us for Unlocking AI with an interoperable data mesh. This one is for all the data architects and engineers out there looking to break down data silos and securely connect the data across clouds and regions. And we'll wrap up the month on October 23rd with AI in Action, how to accelerate into production. See live demos of the latest in generative AI and ML and learn the best practices for building trusted AI workflows that drive real business impact. Well, that's the forecast for October. You'll find all the details and registration links for these events in our newsletter below. I'm Ryan Green. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some building to do. We'll see you out there.